Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A70 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now go to the general management and pick language and input. Here select the first tab, which is language, and now by tapping on add language you can select the one that you would like to apply. So as you can see, the list is pretty wide. Let me pick, for example, Italiano. From San Marino, click on set as default. And as you can see, from now on, your device is in Italiano. Then if you would like to go back to English, or if you would like to choose some other language, go to the language and input one more time, pick language, and you can either swipe English up and then apply it, or you can smoothly remove Italiano and choose some other language. Click on remove and confirm that you would like to delete this language by tapping on remove. So that will be all. As you can see, now we are back in English, and this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.